guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. In today's video, we're going to be cash stuffing the first paycheck of September. Guys, I cannot believe it's already September 3rd. That is insane to me. Christmas will be here before we know it. So luckily in today's video, I'm going to be cash stuffing for Christmas, as well as cash stuffing a couple of other sinking funds that I have added. And let's get started. The first envelope that we're going to stuff today is my back to bank envelope, because we are going to pay my phone bill. So we're going to put $70 into the back to bank envelope because we already have $70 in there for my phone bill. My phone bill is not due until the 20th, but I am going to pay it now just so I don't have to worry about it. And then next week I will pay my credit card bills. So that's going to go in the back to bank envelope, so that is all set. Next, I'm going to be stuffing my wallet. Now, this is not a new wallet. It's actually a very old wallet. So if you see that it's a little beat up and not looking too great, that's why. I need to get a new one, but I found this one and I was like, you know what? I'm not spending money on something that actually works and does the job for now. Insurance, we're going to put $20 in. All right. So insurance now has $20 in it. I'm just going to leave that here for now. Dining still has $25, you guys, because I did not get food. A lot of the preschoolers at my work went off to kindergarten this year, so their parents normally buy us Dunkin' or pizza. So we were pretty much having Dunkin' and pizza all week long, so I never had to buy lunch or anything for work. And because I'm meal prepping as well for me and my boyfriend, I don't typically eat out a lot. And let's be honest, if me and my boyfriend do go out somewhere, he is normally the one that pays. So I'm just going to keep that in here so I don't have to stuff it again. And then gas has $10. So I'm just going to be putting a $20 bill in here to make it $30. And then we will fill up on gas probably tomorrow. Groceries still has, I think, $7 left. That is because I forgot to pick up meatballs. So I'm just going to keep this in here so I can pick those up. But groceries is going to get its normal $60 on top of that. Oh gosh. Some of these bills from the bank that I got, you guys, are kind of not looking too well. Like these 20s, they don't look so great. So just kind of ignore those. Oh, but I got a cash tray. I forgot to say that in the beginning of the video, but yeah, I got a cash tray. I'm super excited about that. I know it's kind of like a weird thing to be excited about, but I feel like my cash was just kind of all over the place last time. And guys, look, it's purple. It matches my binder. Oh my God. Okay, I'm too much. Oh gosh. All right, so that's groceries. And then I am going to give myself an allowance this week of $40. You know, that's because I saved some money not having to put into dining out and gas. So I gave some of the extra money to myself. There's a couple things that I want to buy. So you know what? I'm going to buy them, and I'm not going to feel guilty about spending this money, because let's be honest, I do feel guilty when I buy things for myself, but we're not going to be doing that this week. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. So I have $90. Not that I'm going to spend this whole 90, but if I do actually end up buying a vacuum, I will spend the whole 90. So keep you guys updated on that next week. So these are just going to go back into my wallet. If I just see that there's random cash in my wallet, I know that that is my spending money for the week. So we are done with my wallet. We're going to put that off to the side. Then we are going to get started with my sinking funds. So we're going to do the basic sinking funds that I normally always do every single week first, and then we'll get into the ones that I added in. So our future home is going to be getting $40. So let's take 40. I'm just going to do two 20s, I think, because towards the end of the video I need some 5s. So I think that works out. So in our future house, we now have
50, 100, 120, 140, 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So we have 156 in our cash envelope, but we also have $300 and $11 in the bank. So you know what, I'm just gonna do the math because I feel like I'm gonna get it wrong and then I'm gonna feel stupid. So yeah, $467 in the bank. Guys, next week when I put money into this, it'll be over $500. That's just so crazy to me still. Anyway, on to the emergency fund. The emergency fund is also going to get $40. The house, the emergency, and the car fund are all pretty important to me to have money in. So those are the ones that I want to focus on the most. So let's count how much we have in emergency now. We have
50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 260, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
now have $265 in the emergency fund, you guys. Car needs. Guys, I had $370 in here last week. I had to take my car to the shop. Luckily, nothing major was wrong with it. They just had to clear the codes and my air filter was loose, so they had to fix that. So I ended up paying $165 for everything that they did. So I still have some money left in my car fund, you guys, and I did not have to take it out of the emergency fund, and I did not have to take money out of savings. And guys, normally financially, and especially with my car, things do not go my way. I have had such bad luck with my car in the past, and not this car, but my last car. And I am just so thankful and blessed that I still have money left over in this fund, because that was really going to stress me out. So car now this week is going to get 20. We are still going to beef this up as much as we can every week because of the fact that I never know when an issue is going to come up again. And I want to have a good chunk of money in there where I don't really have to worry about what it is that's going to come up. I know I have some money saved up. So in car, we now have
100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 220, 230, 235, 240, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So we have $244 in the car fund. Hopefully now I can take it for the car wash that I had said, I think in my first cash stuffing video. So gifts this week is going to get $2. $2. It had $2. It's going to get $20. The little girl that I babysit for, her birthday party is on the 12th. So I have to buy her something. So I will do that probably next week, but I have $22 if I find something that I think she'll like. I have the money now to get her something. And then my cat is going to be getting $11 today. I was going to do a no, that's not what I was going to do. I was going to do a 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I was just going to do a 5 and 6 ones for her. So she now has, I've got a lot of ones in here. She now has
10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and $43
in her fund. So that is it for the binder, you guys. And now we're going to be stuffing my new sinking funds. I cannot wait to get a binder for all of these. We have savings. So savings, guys, I'm going to differentiate between an emergency and a savings account. So we're going to try to get this up to $1,000 at some point. So for savings, we're going to do 25 this week. And I'm super excited to be able to add some new sinking funds. This is, okay, so this is retirement. I did not have a label, so I just wrote it on here because eventually I'm going to be getting a binder for these sinking funds. But retirement, I don't have a 401k with my work, so honestly, I think I'm just going to start saving for retirement now. And if I don't need it for retirement, then I will use it towards something else in the future. So I don't think it's ever too early to start saving up for retirement. So Christmas is going to get $25 today. I will insert a picture right here of the Christmas savings challenge that I'm doing. And for this week, it's going to be 25. So that's going to be 2 10s and a 5. But I'm super excited and again, thankful that I get to start saving up for Christmas this early. It makes me feel really grateful for what I have. And YouTube. The reason I am stuffing for YouTube this week, you guys, is because I am doing a giveaway. It actually ends tonight at midnight. I'm going to try to get this video up as soon as possible. So for those of you who want to enter, you can go to that video. I will have it linked down below. But we're going to be doing $20 in YouTube, 5, 10, 15, 20. There are going to be 3 winners. One winner is going to get $10 and the other 2 winners are going to get $5. I have a question for all of my new subscribers. Hi guys, my name is Sarah. Welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for coming to my channel and following me on my budgeting journey. I love talking to you guys in the comment section, so please always comment and like and stuff like that. But how did you guys find my channel? I'm curious to know. When I am not making these videos, I am constantly watching other budgeting videos and cash stuffing videos, and I'm always leaving a comment, showing love to other people who do the same thing, because honestly, I absolutely love this community. But how did you find my channel? Was it through a comment? Was it through a friend? I'm just curious to see. I currently now have 258 subscribers, so that's super, super exciting. So thank you guys all so much for coming to my channel. I think that's all I had to say. If I forgot to say anything, you guys, in the video, I always leave it in the comment section. 9 times out of 10, I always forget something. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in next week's video. Okay, bye guys.